Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to delete a credit card from your Amazon account right on your PC in 2025. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. All right, let's get going. Start by heading to Amazon.com. Check the description for an affiliate link to jump straight to your payment settings. Or click Account and Lists up top. Select Your Account and scroll to Your Payments under the Wallet section. Spot the card you want to ditch, click it, and hit Edit Card. Look for that Remove from Wallet button in the bottom left. Click it, and Amazon will ask you to confirm. Hit Remove again to zap it from your account. Give it a sec to update. Might take a blink. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a credit card from your Amazon account. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.